Maupay na now, we are the Unified Multi-Sector Workers Federation of Metro Manila, a federation composed of 5 labor unions from different industries. Our federation represents I am John Peter Ensuganto, the president of Jollibee Service School Union.
I am Angelique Velasco, the president of the Lighting Factory Workers Union.
I am Zaina Tumaha, president of the Airship Express Workers Union.
I am Rosel Bernabe, the president of the Mayaspa Public School Educators Union. I am Angelique Velasco, president of the Brighton and Furnace Workers Union.
And I am John Peter Ensuganto, ang elected Federation President, representing the collective voice ng lahat ng workers sa aming federation. Now, let's talk about CBA.
What is CBA? CBA is a collective bargaining agreement. It is a written contract between employees and employers. It outlines the wages, benefits, working conditions, and workers' rights, and it is negotiated by the labor unions on behalf of the employees.
The purpose of CBA is to protect workers' rights and welfare, to ensure fair wages and benefits, to establish clear working conditions, and to promote cooperations between workers and management. The advantages of a CBA include providing job security and protection, improving salaries and benefits, reducing workplace conflicts, and strengthening worker unity and representations.
The process of creating a CBA includes preparation, identifying workers' needs and demands, negotiation, discussing terms with management, agreement, finalizing and signing the contract, implementation, applying the agreed rules, monitoring, ensuring both parties follow the agreement.
Now, let's talk about the mission and vision of our federation. Ang aming mission ay palakasin ang karapatan ng mga manggagawa sa pamamagitan ng pagkakaisa, batas na pagtrato at ligtas na kondisyon sa trabaho. Ang aming misyon naman ay isang makatarungan at progresibong lipunan kung saan ang lahat ng mga gawa ay iginagalang, pinapahalagahan at may pantay na oportunidad sa pag-unlad.
Ang logo ng aming federasyon ay sumisimbolo sa pagkakaisa at lakas ng mga manggagawa. Ang gear ay para sa industriya at paggawa. Ang magkakahawak ng kamay ay para sa pagkakaisa, at ang sumisikat na araw ay simbolo ng pag-asa at pag-unlad. Ang asul ay tiwala at katatagan, habang ang pula ay lakas at tapang, at sa huli, ang pilog ay sumisimbolo sa pagkakaisa ng mga manggagawa.
Sumama at makisa sa aming advoksya para sa batas sa karapatan at mas maayos sa kinabukasan ng mga bawat manggagawa. Sa pag-ius sa isip kapederasyon, pinanityan nato ang katungod sa mga trabahante o maayong kondisyon sa trabaho pinaagi sa collective bargaining. Sa pamamagitan ng pagkakaisa, makakamit natin ang lakas at sa pamamagitan ng lakas, makakamit natin ang pag-unlad. Salamat.